welcome back. Please consider subscribing. Today we'll be making some quick and easy effective oil for extra here. In the oil we only need 3 ingredients. We need aloe vera, so you cut up fresh aloe vera. We're going to be putting it in the bullet just to blend the aloe vera and onion. Aloe vera and onion. In this small bowl here is coconut oil, so you want to dunk some coconut oil into here, and we're going to blend this up. So after blending this up, you want to pour this in a warm pan. We're going to set the heat to a very minimum. And we're going to cook this. So this is eventually going to turn into 3 different colors. So the first color you see is beginning to turn into brown. So make sure you stay here, keep stirring, and make sure that the heat is in a very low minimum, or the most, put it in a very medium heat, and keep turning. And if you feel that you don't have enough oil, coconut oil, go ahead and add a little bit of extra coconut oil. It doesn't hurt to add more oil in that. So now you can see that it's brownish green, and then you want to add 1 tablespoon of organic olive oil, 100% olive oil. Go ahead and add it. As soon as you add it, take it off the stove, because remember, you are not supposed to cook olive oil. So just take it directly on top of the stove and wait for this to cool down. So when you take this right off from the heat, the color is going to change to brownish color. If you have cheesecloth, go ahead and sieve this through the cheesecloth. I am going to use the sieve to extract the oil from this. So I will extract the oil from here. So at this time, guys, the oil is ready. All you need to do is wait for this to cool down and transfer this into a jar, airtight jar, and use this 2 or 3 times a day, every day on a daily basis, until you see your hair begin to regrow, and stop the brittleness. So guys, thank you so much. If you have not already subscribed, do me a favor, smash that red button to subscribe, and also click on the notification bell. Please guys, share the video and give this video a thumbs up. Bye bye. See you guys in my next video.